When we think of polio, we often focus on the numbers and statistics of the disease, often forgetting that behind each number is a human being, usually a child, and that polio will affect them for a lifetime. There are still people in this country that depend on iron lungs to survive, and to them, it's not a museum piece. So with that, we have today two people whose stories will blow your minds. We have one girl. Hawa, will you please come forward? I met Hawa just a couple months ago when she was the recipient of a scholarship I have for high school students who are college bound. And her story well, actually just filled my heart, and our committee was totally blown away. She received the highest amount that our scholarship has ever given. Hawa is going to Georgia State to pursue a bachelor's degree, and her dream is to become a pharmacist. But let's hear it from Hawa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hawa. I'm from the Central African Republic. I came to the US as a refugee in 2013. Back in the Central African Republic, life wasn't easy for us. We had limited access to medication, healthcare, and other basic needs. When war broke out, we came to Chad to live in a refugee camp for 10 years. Growing up was even more difficult for me due to my disability. At age of 3, I was very sick. I couldn't move any part of my body. My mother didn't know what was wrong with me, so she took me to the hospital. I was hospitalized for 1 week with other children also who were sick. We had a polio. We didn't have the vaccination during that time. So some of the children became paralyzed or died from polio. And during that time, there were some nurses and doctors who came in and tried to help us. A month after, I had surgery in both of my legs. Later on, I was able to walk with 2 crutches, but I had lost the ability to walk again. Besides physical struggle, I also suffer emotionally. I have experienced a lot of isolation. I was bullied because I couldn't walk like everyone else. I felt very sad watching my friends do activities that I couldn't do. Whenever I look around, everyone else was different from me. Sometimes I feel like I didn't fit in, but I have learned that I don't have to be like anyone else to make differences in other life. have been around people that could have done more, but they but never take advantage of it. I have realized that all of the challenges I have overcome have changed who I am. They shape the person I am today. I have learned to embrace myself, to I have learned to embrace myself, to develop confidence, and to inspire others to do the same. Despite all the difficulty we have had in our life, we didn't lose hope of what the future holds for us. We went to we went we went to register to be resettled to the United States. The approval took about 5 years to be resettled. But the resettlement opened many opportunities for us, such as access to education, healthcare, jobs, and the hope to dream big. This May, I graduated from Claxton High School. I have already started my journey as a college student at Georgia State. This summer, pursuing a career in chemistry. I want to attend. My goal is to attend pharmacy school and to become a pharmacist. Pharmacists has played an important role in others' life, such as advising people on how to take their medication and to make people stay healthy. I would like to thank Dr. Harji for awarding me a scholarship that will help cover some of my college tuitions, and also Mr. Suleiman for allowing me to work at the Global Pharmacy as a pharmacy tech. Working as a pharmacy tech has allowed me to save for college and also gave me hand-on experience on the pharmacy field. Also, I would like to thank my mentors, teachers, friends for guiding, supporting me. I would like to I would like to thank I also would like to thank everyone for everyone who is working hard to end polio. Thank you.
Thank you, Hawa, and her family is also present with us. And is that your mother, Hawa?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Mom. I know you've stood up to the test, and you have been a very brave woman. Thank you. Thank you. And let us not forget that there are many Hawas in the world, and we still have work to do. Thank you.